Genius who invented this method of building houses is truly remarkable. Imagine constructing a house without a single brick and with minimal work, all completed in just a few hours. This revolutionary technology is called 3D printed houses and has transformed the traditional way of building homes. In this innovative process, you simply upload the house plans into a computer. Then, the printing head extrudes a specially formulated mortar, neatly laying it line by line. This method covers the structure from end to end, layering upon layer to rapidly build the entire building. In just one day, it's possible to produce up to 10 structures, each with approximately 200 square meters. This technique significantly reduces labor and material costs. Despite the speedy construction, the quality of these houses is not compromised. They offer excellent insulation, noise reduction, and most importantly, they are more resistant and durable than traditional structures. These houses can even withstand an earthquake of magnitude 9.0. Currently, the cost of building such a house ranges between $500 and $700 per square meter. Would you opt for a 3D printed house like this?